Hello and welcome to the St.Regis Venice. My name is Facundo, I'm the bar manager and we are here today to show you how to make the perfect Santa Maria Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary is the signature cocktail of the St.Regis and each hotel has got its own version. So first of all, we add ice into the shaker. We start with 3 drops of salt solution, 3 drops of spicy tincture, 45 milliliters of horseradish infused vodka, 25 milliliters of verjuice, which is an unripe grape juice, and 125 milliliters of clarified tomato juice. Now we're going to chill the cocktail by throwing it. I'm going to pour the cocktail over ice. Grappa spray on top for the aroma, and we garnish with a tomato and celery crisp. And we are the Santa Maria. Enjoy.